Let's see, can I run this fridge? This is a horrible noise of a low battery. It could be a bad battery or it could be just low. This is quite a unique jump starter. So this is the biggest, baddest one that I've seen so far. And what I mean big, it's not only big like this, but it's also very, very powerful. 4,000 amps. That's a huge amount of power. This one can jump start basically everything that is 12 volt. I think this one can jump a cruise ship. This is a very interesting take on it. Obviously it has a light in the front. It has the space that you could put your cables in. All of them have that. But it has a big display, so it shows you how much battery power you have. And also has a watt meter. It shows you all how much power flows in one direction or the other. And then here on the side, you have the typical in and out USB-C, USB 3.0, USB-C out. So this is for fast charging. You have a normal USB for charging, and you have this. This is a 12 volt port that you can plug in other things that require 12 volt power. So this is a portable power bank also. To jumpstart a car is very, very simple. Put the negative on the negative. Very, very big clamps. So these are the biggest I've seen so far. It can grab a very, very big battery, which others didn't do before. So turn it on. You can hear a click over here. So right now it's pushing power into the battery. You see there's a green light over here. You hear a couple of clickings. And then all you have to do is just turn the car on. Once the car is on, just disconnect it and you're good to go. But it can do so much more. I really like the power bank part of it. So this is the power bank part of it. And I'll plug something in. With the tire inflator hooked up to it, set it up to the right pressure, let it run. And then it tells you how much power you're using. You're using about 100 watts before it reaches the pressure. So it also comes with a USB cord, so you could plug it in here, and then we're gonna see how much my phone is pulling out. I just plugged in the phone, and right now the phone that I'm recording, it's pulling 6 watts worth of charging. Let's see, can I run this fridge? So power on. The motor just turned on. It's getting 39 watts out of it. We'll let it run for a little bit and see how long it can run. Okay, so exactly 10 minutes have passed since I plugged it in. It's in the cooling process, so this is where it uses the most power. 15% of battery in 10 minutes to run the fridge at 50 watts, basically. And right now this fridge is in the cooling phase. I'm gonna let it still run, and then we'll see some temperature drops. And here we go, about an hour later, 38%, still pulling up 55 watts. There's 14 degrees and 45 degrees in the fridge respectively. So I was able to cool off this fridge from room temperature to its desired temperature. And right now the unit is ready to be plugged into the wall and charged. As far as charging goes, they are giving you a free gift, USB charger. Plugs into the wall, ready to charge your unit. It has an input. So right now it's in input mode, and it's gonna charge at speed, fast charging, 20 watts, about there, and you just let it sit and it's gonna be ready to go for the next time. They have Ego, very, very good brand. I really, really like this power bank. This is the most powerful power bank I've ever seen. If you have anything big that needs to jumpstart, or you want to run something off it, it will do it. That's my favorite power bank so far. It's a little bit harder to travel with because it's a little bit bigger, but it can provide a lot of power. So this is not something that you put in a suitcase in the plane, but definitely something that you want to have in the car. Thanks for watching.